Fence Intrusion Detection Systems requirements. General. The FIDS is intended to provide a security system to detect intrusions along the perimeter of the facility. The system shall be capable of detecting, locating, and reporting any intrusion attempts to the control room for immediate response. FIDS system overview. The FIDS shall consist of intrusion detection sensors, field processors, network controllers, and a security management system, SMS. The system shall be integrated with the overall security infrastructure and shall be capable of interfacing with other systems such as CCTV for enhanced surveillance. FIDS hardware and functional requirements. Intrusion detection sensor. The sensors shall be capable of detecting and reporting intrusion attempts. They shall be designed to operate under varying environmental conditions and provide reliable performance. The sensors shall be mounted along the perimeter and be able to detect climbing, cutting, and other tampering activities. The detection accuracy shall be high enough to minimize false alarms while ensuring reliable detection of actual intrusion attempts. Field processor and field enclosure. The field processor shall receive signals from the intrusion detection sensors and process them for accurate detection and reporting. The processor shall be capable of differentiating between actual intrusion attempts and environmental disturbances. The field enclosure shall house the field processor and provide protection against environmental conditions. It shall be designed to ensure reliable operation of the processor and other enclosed components. Network controller. The network controller shall manage the communication between field processors and the Central Security Management System, SMS. It shall ensure reliable and secure transmission of data and alarms. The network controller shall support multiple communication protocols and be capable of integrating with the existing network infrastructure. It shall provide redundancy to ensure continuous operation in case of a component failure. Security Management System. The SMS shall be the central monitoring and control platform for the FIDS. It shall provide a graphical user interface, GUI for real-time monitoring of intrusion detection sensors, alarm management, and system diagnostics. The SMS shall store event logs, generate reports, and support integration with other security systems such as CCTV for automated camera activation upon intrusion detection. It shall provide user-configurable alarm thresholds and notification settings. The SMS shall support remote access for monitoring and management purposes. It shall be scalable to accommodate future expansion and upgrades of the FIDS infrastructure. Intrusion detection sensor. The sensors shall be capable of detecting and reporting intrusion attempts along the perimeter fence. They shall be designed to operate reliably under varying environmental conditions, including extreme temperatures, humidity, and exposure to dust and debris. The sensors shall be capable of detecting various types of intrusion attempts, including climbing, cutting, and other tampering activities. The detection accuracy shall be sufficient to minimize false alarms while ensuring reliable detection of actual intrusion attempts. Field processor and field enclosure. The field processor shall receive signals from the intrusion detection sensors and process them to determine the occurrence of an intrusion attempt. The processor shall be capable of filtering out environmental noise and other non-intrusive events to prevent false alarms. The field enclosure shall house the field processor and protect it from environmental conditions such as rain, dust, and temperature extremes. The enclosure shall be designed to ensure the reliable operation of the processor and other enclosed components. Network controller. The network controller shall manage the communication between the field processors and the Central Security Management System, SMS. It shall provide reliable and secure transmission of data and alarms from the field processors to the SMS. The network controller shall support multiple communication protocols, including TCP/IP, to ensure compatibility with the existing network infrastructure. It shall provide redundancy to ensure continuous operation in case of a component failure or network disruption. Security Management System, SMS. The SMS shall serve as the central monitoring and control platform for the FIX. It shall provide a graphical user interface, GUI, for real-time monitoring of the intrusion detection sensors, alarm management, and system diagnostics. The SMS shall store event logs and generate reports on system activity, including alarm events, system status, and maintenance activities. It shall support integration with other security systems such as CCTV to enable automated camera activation upon detection of an intrusion. The SMS shall allow user-configurable alarm thresholds and notification settings to tailor the system's response to specific security requirements. It shall support remote access for monitoring and management purposes. The SMS shall be scalable to accommodate future expansion and upgrades of the FID's infrastructure, allowing the addition of new sensors, field processors, and network controllers as needed.